Hi everyone, welcome to my first official video. Oh my gosh, I'm doing my first official video finally, right? Okay, but so in today's video, we're gonna be doing a get ready with me / a Q&A. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe right down below and click on that bell. So the first thing I'm gonna do is apply the hyaluronic acid serum for my primer. Yep, I'm gonna apply that and I'm gonna answer my first question. So the first question was, what's coming to this channel? So this channel is gonna be basically surrounded on makeup, because I used to do makeup all the time from the last 2 years. So yeah, I'm just getting back into it and I've just been doing really good so far, so why not make it a thing and put it on YouTube. So the next item I'll be applying is the NYX Tame & Frame for the eyebrows. And I'm going to answer the next question for y'all. So the next question is my name. So y'all know me on here as Saki's Dynasty. That's my channel name, but my real name is Kiera. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyebrows and I'll be right back. So now that I done lined my eyebrows, I'm about to clean them up with the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation plus concealer. I am in 12 Spice Almond, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. And the next question is my age. So currently I am 19, but I am going to be turning 20 on June 7th, which is exciting. I'm finna be part of the Dove Club. Yes, I'm excited. Okay, so I'm finna go in with this small crease brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to clean up my eyebrows. So now that I lined the bottom of my eyebrows, as you can see, I'm just going to drag the rest all the way down to my eyes. So if I have like any brighter colors, you could see them with this type of foundation. So now that I dragged my concealer all the way down to my eyes, I'm going to set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And I'm in 40 dark. So I am going in with the Real Techniques brush. This is a limited edition brush when they collab with Victoria. I'm going to go ahead and set that. I'm going to tap it off. And I'm about to set it like so. So now I'm about to go in with the same concealer, just in a different color. It's in 13 Chestnut. So I'm about to go in with it, and I'm going to answer my next question. My next question is why I started YouTube. So I started YouTube to basically just share my creativity, like in makeup. Like there's a whole bunch of stuff I want to do, like makeup wise, that why not record it and show others so they can either make up my looks or make them into their own, which I love. So now that I have everything all sharpened up, I'm going to blend with this beauty blender. It's from Real Techniques. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend all that concealer out. So if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram. You can follow me at Sleek Kiki. It is SLEEKKEKE. And that's basically my profile and everything. You can follow me on TikTok. If all the makeup looks that you're gonna be seeing is mostly gonna be on TikTok too. So now that that's done, we finna go into the eyes with the Morphe James Charles palette. I just got this. If you're wondering where I got this from, I got this from Ulta. Your nearest Ulta, they should have them all. But I'm going to go in with these colors. Let me show you. This brown right here and this more charcoal brown. I'm gonna put those into the creases, starting with that lighter brown. Yeah, we're just gonna speed this part up. So now we're gonna go with that darker brown on that flat brush that I told y'all about, and I'm gonna put it in the outer corners. Okay, let's speed this up one more time. So now I'm about to go in with the NYX glitter primer. Let's see if I can show you this. Yep, the glitter primer, and we're gonna put it right in these cutouts that I have cut out from my crease. We're gonna go in with our finger though on that. empty spots. I'm about to use this for all my glitters. And we're gonna go in with another flat brush and put some glitter right there in that cutout. So now that I went in with this glitter, I went in with this purple one right here. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm going to blend that out together. So let's do that. Let's speed it up one more time or we're gonna be here forever. All right, so now that the eyes that are partially done, we're going to go in with our foundation. We're gonna go back in with Chestnut, and I'm gonna use this foundation brush. So actually I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Blender because it blends faster, and yeah, I don't have to worry about it too much. Going with a little bit more. With foundation, you want to make sure you blend it in to your hairline. I get all over my ears a little bit too. So now I'm finna go in with the Spiced Almond, the one that I used beforehand, and I'm gonna use it as concealer. And I'm gonna use this concealer brush. I'm finna go back into the Beauty Blender and I'm finna blend it out some more to get the top, the chin, under the mouth area, and a little bit of the nose. Now I'm finna go ahead and set those areas that have concealer on them. Tap it off under the eyes. Yep, it blurs it together very nicely. Now I'm finna go in with my two contour sticks. One is from Kiko, and I don't know what this one is called. I don't want to mispronounce it, but I got it off of Amazon. A couple bucks. I never tried to use both before, but we're gonna try both today. Now I'm going in with the other one. So now I'm about to go in with this angled brush and blend that in. And now I'm gonna bake. Okay, I done baked one side. I'm gonna bake this side for you guys. So I'm gonna let that bake for a few minutes and I'll be right back. So now I'm going to just brush off that powder. So now I'm about to go in with bronzer, NYX, and Deep Tan. That's what it looks like. Now I'm about to go in with some eyeliner. It is the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black, and it's waterproof. It's my favorite eyeliner, so I would suggest to get this eyeliner. So we're gonna start with the corners. I want to do a little wing in the front and the back. So I have one eye done. I will come back once the other eye is complete. So now that the eyes are complete, got the eyeliner on, I'm going to go in with my blush. It's a Maybelline Fit Me, and it's in Wine. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with that. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Yeah. So I'm gonna go in with that using this brush. now I'm about to go in with my highlight. It is Catrice. It's the Catrice More Than Glow highlight in Beyond Golden Glow. And this is what it looks like. Oh yeah. I tap it in just so it can like blend evenly with the skin and it will look natural. I'm actually going to use this creasy brush, and it's from Wet n Wild. Just a heads up, I am going back in with that Catrice highlight. Let it look more natural. Ooh, pretty. Now that's the perfect highlight. Just tap it in. Tap it in. Just want to tap it in. Yep, tap it a little bit so it can look natural. So now that I added my highlight, I add highlight to my nose, right here on my lip, and up under the eyebrows. So now we're going to go in with the lashes. You can't even see them. Oh, we're going in with Kiss Lashes. So since I'm going in with my lashes, I'm using the Super Strong Hold Eyelash Adhesive, also from Kiss. So I added glue, and we're going to apply. So I forgot to tell you guys, before I applied my lash, I had to go in with the L'Oreal Volumized Waterproof Mascara so it can blend easily into my real lashes. Okay, lashes are applied. So now real quick, I'm about to curl my lashes with the e.l.f. lash curler. I'm gonna just brush them out real quick. We're gonna add some mascara down to the bottom lashes. So now that that's done, I'm going to take the NYX eyeliner and get my under eyes. So now last couple of things, I'm going to go into my lips. I'm going to draw my lips with the ColourPop Lippy Liner. Y'all can see. Yep, the ColourPop Lippy Liner in BFF3. And we're going to outline our lips. And now I'm just going to just fill it in. I want to fill in my lips. Well, I'm just going to probably fill in just the bottom ones. And now that I drew my lips, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and Glass Slipper. And the look is finished. Alright, so before we head out, I'm finna to set my face with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is holy grail. This is a holy grail for me. It's dewy and it's a 16-hour long wear. So let's go put that on. Let's put that on. The spritz is very nice. Seeps everything into the skin, making it nice and blurred, which is very nice. So you guys, this is about the end of the video. I hope you liked the look that I created in today's video, and I want you guys to comment down below what other videos you would like to see next. And yeah, that's about it, guys. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.